Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
Ngegama likaYiseni indodana nomoya ocebileyo. Amen. Namhlanje ithandwa zami ngiyafisa ukuba sifunde incwadi kaGenesis, Genesis chapter 18 verses 7 to verse 15. Genesis chapter 18 verses 7 to verse 15. Manikhumbula ithandwa zami, we had looked at this prior, but we were looking at verse 1 to verse 6. La Abraham is sitting and ubona these three people who approaches around his place, and uyahamba uyabamema ukuba mabeze bazohlala naye emzini wakhe bathole something to eat. So in verse 7, Abraham ran to the herd, and he took a calf, and tender and good, and he gave it to a young man who prepared it quickly. Then he took the curds and milk and the calf that he had prepared, and he set it before them, and he stood by them under the tree while they ate. Kunezinto mhlambe ezimbalwa engiyibukayo lana. Yesu Abraham usehambile wayothatha wathi abalungise khona abantu bakaNkulunkulu bezodla. Uthe sekuthathile wayolungisa. I'm fascinated by this. He came and he stood before them. He stood by them as they ate. Waba kanye nabo bedla. There's something about that word that resonates with me. He sat with God at table and he ate. He sat with God at table and he ate. That's what we are all meant and called to be. To sit in the presence of the Lord. Sidle kanye nenkosi. Yabona ithandwa zami, kuzo zonke izimo obhekana nazo, kuzo zonke izimo osudlule kuzona, kahle kahle isabelo sakho ukuhlala etafuleni noNkulunkulu udle naye. Isabelo sakho ukuhlala etafuleni noNkulunkulu nidle naye. Yabona mina kuvuka inkonzo eke yenziwa uDavide engihlale ngikhulume ngayo. Ukuthi uDavide uthi izinto mase zimhambela kahle, ebesebuza ezincekweni zakhe ukuthi waziwa ngibusisa uNkulunkulu, waziwa muhle uNkulunkulu, waziwa kwenza okuhle kumina uNkulunkulu. Kodwa ukhona yini osele emzini kaSaul noJonathan ebengenza umusa kuyena? Thina zami ngiyafisa ukuthi ungayisusi lento engqondweni yakho ithi kahle kahle mina ngifanelwe ukuhlala etafuleni likaNkulunkulu ngidle naye. Make that your word. Mina ngifanele ukuhlala etafuleni likaNkulunkulu ngidle naye. Mangithi ngifanele ngisho ukuthi ngifanele ngoba ngingcono. No. I'm not using that word there as a qualifier ukuthi I'm worth it, ukuthi I deserve it. No, I'm not deserving. I'm not worthy. Kodwa ngadalela ukuhlala etafuleni likaNkulunkulu. Awudalelwanga ukuhlala etafuleni lokuhlupheka. Awudalelwanga ukuhlala etafuleni lokuthukwa. Awudalelwanga ukuhlala etafuleni lezinyembezi. Awudalelwanga ukuhlala etafuleni labacelayo. Awudalelwanga ukuhlala etafuleni labaxakekile. Wadalela ukuhlala etafuleni likaNkulunkulu udle naye. That's what you are destined for. To sit at the table of the Lord and enjoy a meal with him. Awudalelwanga ukuhlupheka wena. Yabona kwesinye isikhathi kumele kunento engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo. Kwesinye isikhathi we patronize we consecrate and we canonize our problems. Kwesinye isikhathi we canonize our problems. Uyabona khona omunye umuntu oxakekile uyohlala ekuxakekeni kwakhe, uyohlala alokhu akhala njalo, alokhu abika usizi njalo. Mina ngifanele ukuhlala etafuleni likaNkulunkulu ngidle naye. Kodwa because lo muntu usenkingeni, uxakekile, uyayithatha inkinga ayigqoke. Uyayithatha inkinga ayinikeze isikhathi. Uyayithatha inkinga azayakhela ilathi, ayakhela ialtari. Umuzi umuntu ethi ngisayokhulekela le nkinga yami uNkulunkulu. Umuzi umuntu ethi ngisayohlala ngixoxela uNkulunkulu le nkinga yami. Why do you want to create an altar for this problem? Why do you want to invest time for this problem? Why do you need to canonize le nkinga, lolusizi, le nhlupheko? Wena awudalelwanga ukuhlupheka, awudalelwanga usizi, awudalelwanga ukuthuka. Wena ubizelwe ukuhlala etafuleni likaNkulunkulu noNkulunkulu nidle naye. That's what you are destined for. Uthi ngelinye ilanga uDavide undlala itafula phambi kwezitha zami. Ubani kanti ondlalayo le tafula? Ngoba usomandla ondlala itafula. Ngoba usomandla odlala ifilimu. Ngoba usomandla obiza uDavide. Thandwa zami, mhlambe sesifikile isikhathi sokuba uphakamele etafuleni lenkosi. Mhlambe sesifikile isikhathi sokuba usondelele ngasetafuleni likaSimakade. Mhlambe sesifikile isikhathi sokuba usomandla kube uyena okuhlalisa phansi athi sibanibani wadlala indlala ukudla kungaka, wadlala inhlupheko ibusiso zingaka, wadlala inhlamba ibusiso zingaka, wadlala ukudlala abantu wena uyintandokazi. Yabona ayikho into emnandi kade usebenza usuku lonke mawufika ekhaya the first thing ekubingelelayo iphunge limnandi. Mawungena nje uqeda ukugeza ubuye uhlala phansi a nice freshly cooked hot meal. Then you know ukuthi they value you, they celebrate you, you're an important member of this family. Undlala itafula phambi kwakho. Wena awudalelwanga ukuhlupheka, udalelwanga usizi. Ithina nje ezivedanisa yokugqoka ukuhlupheka. Ithina ezivedanisa kwenza ukuhlupheka abangani bethu. Ithina esithathe usizi salwenza isihlobo sethu. Ithina esithathe inhlamba sayenza umngane wethu. Ithina esithathe ama-frustrations abantu sawapersonalize empilweni zethu. Udalelwanga ukuhlupheka wena. Udalela ukuhlala nenkosi etafuleni layo kube yiyona ekondlayo. Yabona ithandwa zami, kunento esilahlekayo nesikhohlwayo. Itafula netafula linohlobo ohlukile lokudla. Uyabona kunento esibiza ngokuthi it's an Indian cuisine, it's an Italian cuisine, it's an African cuisine. Itafula netafula linohlobo ohlukile lokudla. Kungenzeka ukuthi abanye bethu besondliwa kwamanye amatafula. Kodwa namhlanje nasi lesikhathi somusa esithi awubuyele kwi-main table, awubuyele etafuleni elizokondla maqedane lingakuchuki, elizokondla maqedane lingabukisi ngawe, elizokondla maqedane lixoxela ukuthi don't worry, the price has been paid. Don't worry, the bill is on us. Don't worry, this has been taken care of. Yabona ngiyafisa ukhuphukele etafuleni where your needs are taken care of, where your needs are known to the master chef. Ngiyafisa ukhuphukele etafuleni la uzombona khona uJehova ekudekela, la uzombona khona uJehova prepare a meal in your presence. One of the most beautiful experiences when you go to some of these places about a buffet, it's when you go and you pick up the food and they prepare it for you, or you go to these restaurants where you go and you have a personal chef that prepares in front of you, and write this down for me. Bukunkulunkulu ekuprepare imilo ozoyidla phambi kwezitha zakho. Buka uNkulunkulu eprepare imil ozoyidla phambi kwezitha zakho. Thandwa zami, when the chef is preparing the meal, he or she chops all the onions and all the veggies and every other things and put things, and the heat is there. Akubuka uNkulunkulu prepare a meal for you ozoyidla phambi kwezitha zakho. And yours is just to watch. Uyabona khona lenkonzo evukayo enhlizweni yami, ake ubuke uNkulunkulu, ake ubukele ibiscope kaNkulunkulu, ake ubukele uNkulunkulu enza izinto. And yours is not. Yabona iphutha esilenzayo sometimes sifuna ukusiza uNkulunkulu. Iphutha esilenzayo sometimes sifuna ukusiza uchef, athi chef don't worry say. Yours is to sit and watch and enjoy the conversation. Mine is to make sure ukuthi this food is to your standards. Thandwa zami, khona ezinye izinto thina esingayiboni, khona ezinye izinto thina ezisithekelayo, khona ezinye izinto thina esingayinaki. Mubuke uNkulunkulu ekuprepayela imeal ozoyidla phambi kwezitha zakho. Akacela uNkulunkulu ukuthi wozomqobisa, akacela uNkulunkulu wozogeza izitsha, akacela uNkulunkulu ukuthi no, uthi uNkulunkulu wena just sit and watch, I will take care of this. Ngiyithanda mina lenkonzo eyenziwa uNkulunkulu. Thandwa zami, methemba uNkulunkulu. Ake umethemba uNkulunkulu ekwenzela ukudla ozokudla phambi kwezitha zakho. Ake umethemba uNkulunkulu prepare everything. Uyabona kwesinye isikhathi uchef uzokafaka into wena you will have thought izosebenza kanjani ke lento, how lento angiyiboni izokwenzeka kanjani, and as ayenza lento wena we understand as ayenza lento, and sometimes you just need to suspend your judgment, and sometimes you just need to kufaka amatomu kwena ukuthi no, I'm not the chef who's cooking the meal. The chef knows what the chef needs, and at the end of the day when you eat, your first taste is like wow, kanti bengazi uNkulunkulu. Oh my God, write this down. Bengazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngithanda kanje. Mina bengitsho ukuthi uNkulunkulu sengikhohliwe. Mina bengitsho ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyangizonda. Mina bengitsho ukuthi uNkulunkulu unaka abanye. I didn't know that God loves me so much. Bengazi mina ukuthi kanti uNkulunkulu ungithanda kanjena. Bengazi mina ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungifisela izinto ezinhle kanjena. Bengazi mina ukuthi uNkulunkulu all along has been planning this for me. Yazi uNkulunkulu is preparing things for your enjoyment. Kodwa because sometimes we panic, because sometimes we lack the faith, sometimes we lack the perseverance, but sometimes we lack the insight. Siyashesha ukusuka etafuleni. Siyashesha ukusuka etafuleni, siyashesha ukudismissa the chef. Kanti the chef knows best. Yabona kwesinye isikhathi ungamjaha uNkulunkulu. Kwesinye isikhathi ungamtsheli uNkulunkulu ukuthi wena wazi kangcono. Kwesinye isikhathi allow the chef to prepare the meal and enjoy the fruits of the meal. Ake uhlale phansi ufocus in what you have control on. Ufocus on what okuzele kule restaurant. Ukuhlala and enjoy the conversation. Ukuhlala and enjoy the company and allow the chef to prepare the best. Yabona uNkulunkulu when esekhetha ukuphekela, he will give you nothing but the best. uNkulunkulu esekhetha ukukudekela itafula, he will bring nothing but the best. uNkulunkulu esekhetha ukuhlalisa etafuleni lakhe, he will bring nothing but the best. And he will only say to you, only the best is for my people. Methemba uNkulunkulu, mbukela uNkulunkulu ekwenzela izinto, not because we deserve it, not because we are good, not because we are great, not because he must pat us at the back and say, well done, good and faithful servant. No, but because he is an amazing God. uNkulunkulu khula kwenzayo. Some say verse 8, no, rather in verse 9. They said to him, these are the man abahamba noNkulunkulu, where is Sarah your wife? And he said to them, she is in the tent. Then the Lord said, I will surely return to you about this time next year, and Sarah your wife shall have a son. And Sarah was listening at the tent door behind him. Ithanda lento, ithando zami, uyamuzwa uNkulunkulu. Hey, yazi moya ongcwele kunezinto ohlezi ukuzenza empilweni zethu. Labantu ngitheba kephi bangaphansi kwesihlahla. They are sitting by the oaks of Mamre. They are eating by the oaks of Mamre. And uNkulunkulu says, where's your wife? How mina ngitshela ukuthi ngimema amadoda azodla asebuza unkosikazi. Are you aware ukuthi uNkulunkulu knows inkinga zakho? Are you aware ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyalazi usizi lakho? Are you aware ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyawazi ama issues odila nawo? Are you aware ukuthi uNkulunkulu ayikho into ongamfihlela yona? On the surface, it's like uzodla ebese yahamba. Kanti in reality, akazili ukuzodla uzokubusisa. Akazili ukuzodla uzokulungisela izinto. Akazile ukuzodla uzophelelisa izinto. Akazile ukuzodla uzokuphakamisa. Thandwa zami, hamba ohlala etafuleni likaNkulunkulu. By the time your dinner is finished, ama-deals enizobe seniwenze noNkulunkulu are amazing. Yabona kunento engimangazayo. uAbraham akasho kulamadoda ukuthi ayibo uyazi sixakekile la ekhaya asinabantwana. No. Abraham akasho kulamadoda ukuthi nisibona sineminyaka emingaka sesisele sodwa. No. Sometimes you don't need to tell God your problems. He knows them. Uthi obhala kahle inkinga zethu ziyaziwe enkosini before we even are able to articulate them. Siyazazi uNkulunkulu. Siyamtshela nje ngoba sabantu. Kodwa uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukuxakeka kwakho. uNkulunkulu uyalazi usizi lwakho. Yabona uNkulunkulu kunezinto azaziyo ngathi thina singazazi. Yabona ngihlezi ngimangala mangivuka njalo ekseni. Ngithi mina one of imkhuleko yami mangivuka ekseni ngiyabonga Nkosi ungivikele ezintweni engayibonanga zenzeka kumina ngoba bengizumekile. I'm not sure noma uyawuzwa lo mkhuleko. Ngiyabonga Nkosi ungivikele ezintweni engingayibonanga ebezingenzeka kumina ngoba bengizumekile. I was fast asleep. Uyazi uNkulunkulu akangivikeli ngoba ngibhekile. Akangilweli nesitha sami ngoba ngisazi. No. Uyabona moya ongcwele. Uyazi uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukuyongena kuma boardrooms ongawazi nama meetings ongawazi ukuthi they are sitting on a meeting right now discussing you. Kodwa uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukuyokuhlalela kukulayo ma meeting, ayokuhlalela kulawo ma boardroom, ayokuhlalela kulawo ma conversation, ayokuhlalela kulawo ma chats wena ungazi. Athi kodwa ngizokuhlalela. My God, this is deep. uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukukuhlalela endaweni la bekrabha khona and yet wena wazi uyahleka ufana nengane. Hey uNkulunkulu, write this down. uNkulunkulu uyangihlalela nezitha zami nebengihlekisa ngenza abangani bami. Write that down for me. uNkulunkulu uyangihlalela nezitha zami ebengitshela ukuthi zabangani bami. Uyangihlalela nazo angivikele. uNkulunkulu uyangihlalela nezitha zami efuna uqeda ngempilo yami. Mina ebengitshela abangani bami kodwa uNkulunkulu uyangihlalela nazo. Athi uNkulunkulu, not today, not to my child. Not to my child. uNkulunkulu uyangihlalela nezitha zami. Mina bengitshela ukuthi abangani bami hlale nazo uNkulunkulu. Athi uNkulunkulu noche. Athi ngene imnuka. Athi ngene imthole. Wona ithandwa zami uAbraham uyitshela ukuthi lamadoda uzowanikeza ukudla bese yahamba. Kanti akazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu usefikile, akazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu usezomsiza, akazi ukuthi omdala weinsuku usezophelelisa. Yabona mangithi mina uNkulunkulu uyangena kuma boardrooms wena ungekho. Uyangena kuma bedrooms nama lounge wena ungekho. Uyangena kuma online meetings wena ungekho. Uyangena kuma checks wena ungekho. Uyangena kuzinto that are done behind your back wena ungekho. Maqedana kulwele afike kuwena sesula umlomo angakuxoxeli lutho. Yophuma wena umthuku uNkulunkulu ubeke ephu uNkulunkulu kwenzeka ukuthi uvume kanjani uNkulunkulu akwenzela ukuthi athi umntaka Maria awubuka umhlane wami. Yabona bangigwaze kanjani mfana wami. Awubuke yonke lemcibisho, awubuke zonke lezi inhlamba, awubuke ukuthi nokuthi uthi usababaza lokho. Athi uNkulunkulu yazi zonke lezinto beziyakubani. Athi uthi ngikudlalela ifilimu. Oh moya ongcwele. Yazi kunabantu wena ozobahlekisa kanti bona uNkulunkulu azokuvezela bona ngelinye ilanga. Athi bukani. Athi ngangithini kwena mfana wami. Athi you know iproblem yakho ukuthi ukhuluma kakhulu. Yabona inkinga yethu ithandwa zezulu ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi sikhuluma kakhulu kanti amaqiniso asiwazi. Kunezinto uNkulunkulu asenzela zona thina sizazi. Kunezimpi uNkulunkulu asilwela kuzona. Bengasijuqa, bengasiqeda. Thina sazi. Ahlale nje uNkulunkulu akubuke, niyahleka laphana, nidle lunch laphana, niyahleka laphana, nishadile laphana, nilele ndawonye, uyitshela ukuthi sithandwa sami lesa, kanti awazi ukuthi sikuthengele inkabi. Akuphelezele kanti awazi ukuthi njobe kuphelezela vele usiyavalelisa uzothi ujika ngale abefona ukuthi nange edlula hamba ngemoto enje kanje bakushaya abantu. Athi uNkulunkulu noche. Athi not today. Athi not ngomntanami. Yabona uNkulunkulu kunezinto asenzela zona. Asazi kodwa yena uyasilungisela. Uthi namhlanje uthi uphu Sara. uAbraham ikehle lidala lithi uSara ngimshiye etendeni Nkosi. Awuhleli la etendeni ungilindile besethi uNkulunkulu mfana wami ngonyaka ozayo ngalesi sikhathi. Yazi ngiyayithanda iarrogance kaNkulunkulu. Uyamkhumbula kuMatthew chapter 11 methi wozani kimi nina nonke nikhatheleyo nenisindwa ngiza kuniphumuza. Mina ngiyayithanda iarrogance kaNkulunkulu. Uma uNkulunkulu ethi I will surely return to you about this time next year, and Sarah, your child, your wife, shall have a son. Mina, ngalesi sikhathi, ngonyaka ozayo, uNkulunkulu ngizobuya ngize kuwena. Unkosikazi wakho uzobe kugone indodana. Ngizobuya ngize kuyena. Mark my words. Next year this time buku uNkulunkulu ekwenzela amafilimu. Next year this time sekhulumile omlomo wakho ungathethi manga. Usekhulumile ozwi lakhe kaliphikiswa. Usekhulumile othi angakhuluma maqede kube khona. Uthi ngalonyaka ngesikhathi ezayo unkosikazi wakhe yobe kugona umntwana. Ngiyethanda le lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu. Now Abraham and Sarah were old and advanced in years. The way of women had ceased to be with Sarah. So Sarah laughed to herself, saying, after I am worn out, shall I indeed bear a child, now that I am old? Write this down for me. uNkulunkulu akalidinga usizo lwami ukuzenza imangalise empilweni yami. uNkulunkulu akalidinga usizo lwami ukuze enze imangaliso empilweni yami. God does not need my help to perform miracles in my life. God does not need my help to perform miracles in my life. uNkulunkulu akalidinga usizo lwami ukuzenza imangaliso empilweni yami. uSara ufuna ukuchomela iChina ngokarati. Ufuna ukuchomela uNkulunkulu ngomkulunkulu. Uthi uSara sengimdala kangaka neinsuku zami sezaphela nazo zonke izinto zami zokuthi ngithola abantwana seyidlulile. Uthini lo? Uyambona umuntu ofuna ukuchomela umuntu owazinto. Athi uNkulunkulu singijwayela kaBusara. Athi no mfana wami no chill. Angidinge isizo lwakho, angidinge science yakho, angidinge biology yakho, angidinge whatever, angikudingi. Yazi khona uSara into ayikhohlwayo. Wayekephi uSara noAbraham uNkulunkulu edala amazulu? Wayekephi uSara noAbraham uNkulunkulu edala umhlaba ewusekela ukubungawi? Manje mhlambe ke wayekephi uSara noAbraham uNkulunkulu edala ilanga elibeke ukuthi lingaqhathaki lishise? wayekephi uSara noAbraham uNkulunkulu edala ilanga ukuthi abangangqonqi basha abantu? Wayekephi uSara noAbraham uNkulunkulu edala ulwandle ukuthi malihambe lume la? Wayekephi uSara noAbraham uNkulunkulu edala ukuthi oxygen ayibe khona emhlabeni wonke? Wayekephi uSara noAbraham uNkulunkulu edala isidalwa esiwumuntu? Ngangikephi? What makes me think uNkulunkulu dinga mina? Uthi uSara uNkulunkulu, "I Lord, I'm old of age. Lord, I've seized the women thing." Athi uNkulunkulu akunendaba. What makes you think ngidinga lezo zinto? What makes you think I need your ingredients in order to cook for you? What makes you think khona into ozongenzela yona ezodala ukuthi ngikusize? What makes you think fanele ucooperate nami ukuba ngikusize? No, angikudingi usizo lwakho. Ngizokwenzela not because you deserving, ngizokwenzela because I, the Lord your God, will make it happen. Wena kwesinye isikhathi siyitshela ukuthi singamsiza uNkulunkulu. No. I said earlier on, do not canonize your problems. Do not create an altar. Uzuhamba uxoxe ukuthi inkinga engibhekene nazo, usize engibhekene nalo, ukuhlupheka, hey abantu abasi. Ubukephi uNkulunkulu edala izulu nomhlaba? Bengikephi uNkulunkulu enza imangaliso? Bengikephi uNkulunkulu emisa ulwandle benqamula ehlabathini esomileyo? Bengikephi uNkulunkulu eqhumisa amanzi etsheni? Bengikephi uNkulunkulu ehamba nabo? Bengikephi? What makes me think ukuthi uNkulunkulu needs my help? uNkulunkulu Sara ayikho ngawe lento, imina engizokwenzela. No, angidingi wena. Yabona khona omunye umuntu othi umuntu eyazi ngiyabona ukuthi uyagraduate, bengicabanga ukuthi ngikwenzela ukuthi nokuthi. Umuzo omunye umuntu ethi, anginayo mina imali, mina ukuthi anginakho." Bebesethi okhulumile, "Angishongo ukuthi ngifuna imali yakho." Uyamazi uNkulunkulu bezokuphoxa ngeibusiso zakhe, athi angishongo ukuthi ngifunani yakho, ngithe ngifuna ukukubusisa. But angishongo ukuthi ngifuna imali yakho. Angishongo ukuthi ngifuna iloyalty yakho. Angishongo ukuthi ngifuna your holiness. Angishongo ukuthi ngifuna your cooperation. Isethe ngifuna ukukubusisa namhlanje. Mina ngifuna ukwenzela umusa. My God, lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu, Sara wahleka. That's why umntwana abamzala, they named him Isaac. Means laughter or joker. Wahleka. Yangithinta lento ukuthi wahleka. Kwesinye isikhathi uyazi siyamhleka uNkulunkulu. Kwesinye isikhathi siyasihleka isibusiso. Kwesinye isikhathi siyabhinqa. Kwesinye isikhathi sithi what won't happen. Kodwa kunegama elivuka enhlizweni yami. Itshe abalahlila bakhe seliphenduka inhloko yegumbi. Bayeke bahleke. Bayeke bajabule. Bayeke bakwenza inhlinini, bakwenza inhlekisa, bayeke bansitsitheke, bayeke. They do not understand. Abayiqondi lento uNkulunkulu aseyenza. No, this is interesting. Sarah says, "Shall I in old age bear son?" But then verse 14, is anything too hard for the Lord? At the appointed time, I will return to you about this time next year, and Sarah shall have a son. Tell Sarah, esehleka watsengimdala. Kodwa kunalombuzo obuzwa uNkulunkulu othi, ikhona into emhlabeni emehlulayo uJehova? Ngiyafisa uyibhale phansi lento. Ikhona yini into emehlulayo uSimakade? Is there anything hard for God? Khona into uJehova angeke akwazi ukwenzela yona. Khona umhlabelele nguthandayo uthi ake ayikho into angeke angenzele yona. Is there anything hard for God? Khona into simakade emhlulayo athi sibanibani sengikuzame konke angazi ngizokwenza njani. Wena ithandwa zami, ungahambi uthuka uNkulunkulu utshela abantu ukuthi sengizame konke angazi kuzokwenzakalani. Ungahambi uthuka uNkulunkulu utshela abantu ukuthi mina ngiyahluleka, mina ngiyahlupheka. Ungahambi uthuka uNkulunkulu uthi angisazi kuzokwenza njani. Is there anything hard for God? Ikhona into ehlula uNkulunkulu? Ayikho. Ayikho. Ayikho into ehlula uNkulunkulu. Yazi uNkulunkulu ave qhosha. Is there anything too hard for the Lord? And listen to this word. At the appointed time, I will return to you about this time next year, and Sarah shall have a son. When the time is right, I, the Lord your God, will make it happen. Maybe you don't see this. Maybe awukaboni. Maybe awuboni kuzokwenzeka kanjani. Maybe you can imagine it. Maybe you can fathom it. Maybe you can see it's playing out. Kodwa ngifuna ukukutshela mina namhlanje. Ayikho into ehlula uNkulunkulu. Lokho oyitshela ukuthi wena kuyakulimaza, lokho oyitshela ukuthi wena sekuphelile ngawe, lokho oyitshela ukuthi wena ngekuphinde kulunge, lokho oyitshela ukuthi wena this is the last straw, ngifuna ukukutshela ukuthi sorry, Nxese, sorry. Ayikho into ehlula uNkulunkulu wami mina. Ayikho into ehlula uNkulunkulu, and ngiyafuna uhlala uyazi leyo nto ukuthi ngeke ahluleke. What makes you think uzohluleka? What makes you, what guarantee do you have? What evidence do you have? What experiences do you have? Ezothi mina ngiyamazi uNkulunkulu uzohluleka la. Mina nginobufakazi bokuthi ngiyamazi akahluleki. Yabona kahle kahle uNkulunkulu mina ngimkhonza yophunyuka bemphethe. Bathi bayitshela bayambona, bathi bayitshela bayamazi, bathi bayitshela ukuthi afana pelekitshe nje uNkulunkulu lapho uthi kwashone ngale uphunyuphunyu lo phunyuka bemphethe. Indoda engabambeki. Uthi uNkulunkulu, at the appointed time this year I will come and your wife will be carrying a child. Athi Abraham, kodwa lamadoda angizweni. Athi Sarah, kodwa lamadoda angifunani. Athi uNkulunkulu enganingitshelile ukuthi isikhathi somusa sesifikile. Enganike kutshela, yazi khona into uNkulunkulu ayenzayo, asinike into ekade sasiyikhulekela. Saze sa give up ukuthi angeke kuphinde kwenzeka. Athi uNkulunkulu ngizokunika. Kodwa kunike ngendlela athi ungasaboni wena ukuthi kuzokwenzeka ngayo. Yabona khona into yezulu ebalekile. Bathi abantu abadala ukubola kobisi ukuvuthwa kwamasi. Ukubola kobisi ukuvuthwa kwamasi. Khona izinto uNkulunkulu azokunikeza zona. Wena ubuyitshela ukuthi sesiphelile isikhathi sakhona. Sesiphelile isikhathi sakhona. And only realize ukuthi nasi isikhathi saleyanto. Kade wawuyifisa. Athi uNkulunkulu ngizokunika yona, kodwa ngizokunika yona kanje. Khona uzothola ukuthi nokuthi. Asambe sekuverse 15 isibonga uNkulunkulu. But Sarah denied it, saying, I did not love. For she was afraid, and he said, but you did love. Ukuthi uSarah angihlekanga Nkosi ngoba wayisaba. Athi uNkulunkulu cha, uhlekile. Kodwa ngifuna ekuhlekeni kwakho ngelinye ilanga ujabule. Ngegama likaYise benendodana nomoya ocwebileyo. Amen.